and welcome to Epping Forest College's Media Department. Today I'm here to show you around. We have a variety of equipment here in our studio, from green screens to DSLR cameras. Right now we are filming a live talk show. This is the control room. In here we have the TriCaster, which allows us to play back the footage that has been recorded from the studio and insert video over the green screen. We also have sound playback equipment. Here is our Mac editing suite. These computers not only allow the students to edit, but to create as well using the latest Adobe software. In this first classroom, we have a creative activity taking place, as well as these two doing their own music project. Lastly, in the second of the two classrooms, we have a discussion going on, which allows us to work better as a team before they move on to an independent project.